Today we're looking at Surface Tension Breaker, and I'm going to combine 1 part Surface Tension Breaker to 9 parts water, and I want to combine those thoroughly, so just give that a little bit of a mix. And what I'm going to do is add that to a palette, and I'm going to do this 3 times and have 3 separate palettes of 3 different colours. And today I'm using phthalo blue, yellow mid and magenta. So if we start with the phthalo blue here, I'm just combining this with our water and surface tension breaker mixture. And remember, that's 10% surface tension breaker, 90% water. So let's just try the yellow mid here, and you can see that that combines nicely. And our last colour, let's just mix ourselves up a puddle of magenta. So we'll just combine that magenta in gently and stir it around. So today I'm working on a canvas board, and you see this product is a dispersant, and it's used to break down the surface tension of the acrylic paint, making it, a lot thinner and a lot more fluid. It's a really, really valuable additive if we're going to do these sort of stain painting techniques or watercolour techniques, where we're really looking for these lovely clear washes of paint where we can splash things in like this yellow, and we can just grab paint and drop it. So you can see how lovely and transparent those washes are, and it gives us this really gentle, watery wash. So have a little play with that. Surface Tension Breaker. You can add it to any of the paints, but I like to add it to what we're using today, Derivan Matisse Flow.